Hello and welcome back. Today I will show you an amazing trick to transform your pictures with Snapseed. Also, there's a secret technique that takes your picture to the next level, but I will only share the technique once I reach 1,000 subscribers. So click subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Let's get started with the edit. Start by selecting Toon Image. And set the warmth to -100. Set the shadows to 64. Highlights at 37. Ambience at 22. Saturation 42. Contrast will be 64. And brightness 8. Now click on View Edits. Toon Image, and tap the brush icon. Invert the effect, and brush away the subject. Select Toon Image again. Set the warmth to -57. Leave the shadows at 0. Highlights at -10. Ambience 53. Saturation will be 22. Contrast 10. And brightness 5. Please do keep in mind that these settings might need to be alternated to better suit your image. Click on View Edits again. Tap on Toon Image, and then on the brush icon. Now you will lower the brush's opacity strength by tapping on the up and down arrows. Clear away with your brush, until you are satisfied with the result. Now choose Selective, and tap only on the areas where we want the effects to take place. On our case, we want to change the subject's skin tones. Depending on the subject, you will need to experiment with the settings until you have a skin tone which you are satisfied with. Follow along, as this part of the video does not require you to follow the exact same numbers, but yet, it is necessary for you to follow along with the procedure. Add some tonal contrast. Now tap on the vignette option, but do not overdo it with this feature. On HDR landscape, leave the filter strength on minimum amounts for a natural look. Let's go to the vintage filters, and we are going to select filter number 4 as it best suits this look. Again, we are going to use brush stack, so the filter only applies to parts that we find it fits best. We are going to use the blur tool to add the image a depth of field. And now, we are going to tune the image on last time, and we will be done with it. Please, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, like this video, and leave a comment what do you want to see next. Until next time, goodbye.